Today I'm going to show you how to replace a 30-plus-year-old mobile home torque side mount operator, or more commonly known as a window crank. I'll list the few items that I used, where I got them, and their cost in the description below. Normally you would remove the vinyl molding from around the window to gain access to the screws holding the window. This is where I ran into a problem with the brittle molding not wanting to come off in one piece, and not knowing where or if I could get replacement molding. I decided to make the repair without removing the window. But as I was saying, if you did remove the window, and once the window was out, you would need to remove 2 screws from the bottom of each side of the window so the bottom could be removed. Doing this would allow you to slide the window crank out of the frame and remove the bar. I decided to go a different route and leave the window in place. The first thing you would need to do is cut the bar in half and remove the crank handle from the inside. Remove all the screws that may be holding the operator in place. There should be at least 2, and in some cases maybe 3 screws. Mine only had 2 screws to remove. If your operator is sitting in a channel, such as mine, you'll need to pry it out using a screwdriver and tap it out of the frame gently with a hammer. The new operator should slide in with no difficulty at all. Then replace all screws that you removed. I found that the 1/2-inch ID coupling was an extremely tight fit, and looking it over, I noticed the bar had 30 years of oxidation on it, and I needed to wire brush and sand it all off where I wanted the coupling to slide. Place both ends into their receivers and tap the bar into place, and be sure it's seated in place. Place the 2 cut ends of the bar together and slide the coupling over both ends of the bar. You may have to use a screwdriver and tap the coupling along to get it into place. This coupling will be very tight. Place something under the bar to keep it level and firm so you can put pressure on the bar while drilling. As you can see, I used my channel locks to give the bar support. Once the holes are drilled, then tap in 2 tension pins through the holes to lock the bars together. After the pins are in place, cut or grind off the extra material from the pins if needed. Replace the handle and you're good to go, almost just like new.